Your Amazon FBA business will fail. I used to think that I would be able to help everybody become successful on this platform because I did it myself. But a hard truth is that most people will actually fail. And this is something that you need to realize. But I have a good news and I have a bad news. The bad news is that if you are a cynic, if you are lazy, if we spoon feed you with information and you actually do not take action, if you are all those things and you keep saying that, if it actually works, why doesn't everybody do it and stuff like this, you are going to fail. There's nothing I can do with you because you have the wrong mentality. You are just lazy. You are never going to be successful. However, if you are willing to put in work, the good news is that yes, you can become successful, but most people do not have this right mentality, and this is what I want to talk a little bit about in today's video. Before we do, I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys know that I do coaching, and I have a new group, a new mentorship group that opens up soon. I'm going to open it. We are going to have the first session Monday, March 4th, okay? So if you have the same profile as the two person that I have in this group right now, it's 2 persons that are going to quit their jobs right now and that want to scale their business, okay? I do not want to get more than 5 people in these groups, but I want people that are motivated and that are ready to actually do this thing, okay? That really want to put in works and that are ready to put in works daily to reach their goal on Amazon. If you want to be my next success story, get on a call with me for free to see if you would meet the requirements to reach to come on the group mentorship program. It's $99 a month, weekly calls. More information with the link below. Okay, so it's a perfect transition because not too long ago, I started sharing what I call my daily target list, okay? And it's pretty much, let me just show to you guys what it is for those of you that do not know what it is. This is it, and let me just reopen this because whenever I do this and I share it to you, it changed the date right there on top. But what it is it's a list of deals that my VAs and my VA just logged in actually to actually fill the daily target list. But it's a list of all the deals that me and my team are looking at daily. And it's pretty much the products, the places where I am going to source. Okay, it's all the deals available online. Right now we have 258 deals available, and we are going to add some. And some are going to be removed because some expired. It's pretty early today, so we still need to check that before we send it to people. But yeah, pretty much this is something that I actually sell to a lot of subscribers. It's $27 a month, okay, and it's pretty much, you get my VA working for you full time doing this every single day and sending it to you. So this is not the one that you receive. The one that you receive is formatted in a different way. This is the one I use personally, okay, to check all of this and to source. And if you've been following my sourcing videos, you know that this is something that I've been preaching that you guys you need to do if you do online arbitrage, right? And by the way, if you do not want to pay, I have a free ebook in the description that actually tells you how to do it. It's just super time consuming, okay? And if you want my VS to do it for you, you can do it. But the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because, there's really 2 types of people, okay? And there's people seeing a problem with everything, and because, by the way, the channel has been growing, really growing this month. And, I'm starting finally to get some hate. I'm super excited because I did not have any errors before. And I was actually wondering if I did things correctly, because if I do not have errors, it means that I may not do things correctly. But I'm starting to get some hate on my videos from time to time, And I'm getting new people as well, subscribing to my stuff and all that stuff. And, there's people. The reason why I'm talking to you guys about the target list is because some people, and really a few people, it's really one guy that was complaining about something specifically with the target list. And, everybody else had a great time. I actually asked for feedback as well. And even without asking for feedbacks, I had people actually sending me screenshots of great products that they found thanks to the target list, because the target list is pretty much a base. It's going to save you a ton of time because you can just start sorting on all those links that are all the promotions that are going on the websites that I personally monitor. Okay, and then I'm trying to get a coverage of all the websites around the web, and I'm adding new VAs to the team so we can have a better coverage of all that stuff, right? So with the same exact information, we have 2 types of people. You have one specific type of people that is going to complain, that is going to find something to complain about, okay, and find excuses to not use this to become to become successful. And then on the other side, you have people that have the exact same information and that take advantage of this information to actually make money, and that actually, on the first day that I actually sent this target, is actually broke even for the whole month, okay? Because you just need to make $27 profit to break even with it. Just with one lead, you can break even, and it's going to save you at least. And I used to spend, and I talked about it in previous videos, so I do not want to talk a lot more about this, but I used to spend personally 2 hours a day, 1 to 2 hours a day to do this, and I did not have as many leads because right now my VA team's doing this full time for me. And it's actually super time consuming, okay? And so just so you are saving at least 60 hours a day if you source daily, and it's just for $27, and you actually outsource it to people that are going to build it, that are going to build this target list for you, and it's going to be way more expanded than what you would be able to do yourself because you are not going to do this for the whole day, right? So, it's really crazy how people with the exact same information, and by the way, if we go back to when I actually started, and once again, I am not ashamed to say this, okay? There's nobody that has helped the Amazon community as much as I did with as much free content as I have, okay? The content that I have on my YouTube channel, I have a backlog of daily videos for more than 1 year. So right now it's 1 year and 2 months, okay, of daily videos about selling on Amazon, of tutorials, okay? There's more information on all those videos that you will find in any paid course, okay? I've done a ton of free live calls before I actually started doing coaching. I was basically doing coaching and group coaching for free on the Discord server, and I still do it from time to time, but on the Discord server, I had people coming from the community asking questions, and I help people week over week that right now are super successful. And you can actually look at the testimonies on the Discord server, right? And so the crazy thing is that people actually find way to complain, things to complain about why I do a lot of shit for free, and I've been doing a lot of shit for free, and I've been helping a ton of people, and all the information, all the replays, there's at least half of the replays if you look on the live call, or if you come on the Discord server, there are some replays of the calls as well. There's a lot of those replays of things that I shared for free. There's a lot of free videos on which there's more values than on a lot of paid course, and a lot of people find excuse to not take action. And this is why people will fail. This is why you guys will fail if you are the same type of person. Stop being cynic. Stop being lazy. Stop not putting in, because this business is actually easy. You can actually learn by yourself if you put in work. Of course, all the videos that I make are going to speed up your learning curve, okay? It's going to ease your learning curve. It's going to be easier for you to actually learn, okay? But you can learn by yourself if you actually put in work and you put daily work. This is what I did, okay? I did not purchase any course, and there was nobody making as much content as I do about this business on Amazon, okay? You can literally learn directly from someone that did it for free if you want to. If you want to get on the coaching to speed up your... And by the way, I do not gatekeep anything, okay? All the stuff that I talk about is on my channel. Sometimes I expand a little bit more because I have more time. Of course, I go more in depth when I do the coaching. Of course, not the same thing, and people ask me questions about it because there's some stuff that I may not be saying, not because I'm omitting it on purpose, but just because, in the context of a video, I cannot just talk super deeply about sourcing for 2 hours, okay, or for just 1 hour about one specific thing that is an issue for somebody, or all that stuff. I can go deeper during the calls or during the coaching calls and all that stuff, but I do not gatekeep any information right there on YouTube. You have everything that you need on YouTube if you want to watch all my videos, and of course it's going to take a lot of time, but if you watch all my videos, you have everything that you need to learn to become a 7-figure seller on Amazon. You have no excuse, and still people have excuses, okay? People have excuses. Same thing with the daily target list. You do not want to pay for it? I have a free ebook that teaches you how to do it. It's just time consuming, but you need, if you do not want to pay money to actually get it delivered to your inbox, you can just pay. You can just get the free ebook, learn how to do it, and do it yourself. The process is super easy, and I also have a free video on how to do it. The only reason why you are not successful is because you are lazy and you are not putting in work. And if you do not have the time to put in all that work, I have solutions for you to actually speed up your learning curve, and for you to actually go full-time sooner, okay? You can put in work. I have all the information for you to do it. If you do not have the time and you want to accelerate your growth, I have other solutions for you, like the coaching. If you do not have a lot of money to get on the one-on-one coaching, which is $600 an hour, $300 for 30 minutes, 500. I think it's $4.99 for 1 hour. If you do not have enough money to do this, you can come on the group coaching calls, okay, which are $99 a month. Of course, you are going to be with a few people. Right now, it's going to be, the new groups are going to be 5 people, but still, you have my attention. You can ask me questions daily. We have calls that are 1 hour, and most of the time. And by the way, even on the one-on-one coaching call, if you have questions, I never stop. I try to have space in my schedule, and I always, like, it doesn't matter if it's the coaching calls, the group coaching, the one-on-one. Most of the time, if you have questions, I do not look at the watch. I do not care about the time, and I've been doing this forever. Even when I was doing the coaching calls, you guys have no idea, and you guys really don't realize how many hours I put into actually helping people. And the reason why, and this is really crazy, the reason why the way I've been starting getting some hate on my videos show how the world is twisted. Because on this channel, you have literally everything that you need for free. Okay, for free. You have everything that you need for free, not only here on the channel, but on the Discord server. You have everything that you need for free to do all the things that I'm doing with my business. All the knowledge that you need, you have it for free. You have access to it for free. And showing hate to somebody that does that for you for free instead of actually putting in the work, okay? Because you do not have to buy any of the things that I'm sending you with all the information for free, okay? The worst thing is with the worst thing, and I did not necessarily have hate about the daily target list, but like, it's crazy to me how you are going to complain about something, about me doing something, and I actually teach you how to do it for free for yourself if you want to. It's just that it's time consuming, and that I know it's time consuming, and this is the reason why I've been delegating it, and this is why I've been opening this specific target list to people, okay? And so, yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about this in this video because it's actually crazy. And this is the reason, this is the mentality that if you have this mentality, you are never going to be successful. It does not matter if it's with Amazon. It doesn't matter if you are an artist and you want to paint, you want to sell paintings and all that stuff. With this mentality, you are never going to go anywhere. You are never going to go anywhere because you have a shitty mentality. This is basically what is holding you back. And I wanted to add something, yeah, because I received another 8 comments from someone that was saying that I was boasting fake money, whatever. Where have I been boasting money? Okay, I've never been boasting money. I've never been sharing money, except a little bit. You know, sometimes on the thumbnails, I put money dropping from the sky, but like, yeah, it's to make you click. Okay, on the thumbnails you can see Lamborghinis. I do not own any Lamborghini. Okay, you can see that it's made with AI. Okay, stop being dumb. I cannot afford a Lamborghini. Okay, I could potentially afford it, but it would be a really dumb. It would be a really, really, really dumb financial mistake. Because a Lamborghini, at the end of the day, you can get one for $2,000 a month, right? Is it smart for me to put $2,000 a month in a car? No. Can I afford it? Yes, I could. Is it smart? Not at all. Okay. Yes. Just with this YouTube channel, I could pretty much afford a Lamborghini. Okay, it would be a really dumb business move. But not necessarily, because one thing that I noticed actually is that whenever I put a Lamborghini on the thumbnail, you guys actually click, even though you know that I do not own any Lamborghini. But whatever, you know. And yeah, if you just want proof of what I'm talking about, I shared a lot of screenshots from my past sales on previous videos, on the monthly video that I made. And I think I forgot to make it this month. And it's March 1st, actually. I should have done it, but nothing much interesting is happening in my Amazon business, still pretty much at the same level. I'm going back to the US in 2 weeks. So this is when the business is going to go back up and things are going to move. But right now, still, you know, I'm actually currently actively in the process of starting to outsource things. So this is where most of my energy is focused. And so, to be honest, I have no idea what products exactly I sell, because most of my time I'm actually teaching my team to do a lot of things for me inside of my Amazon business. And I talked a little bit about that in the past. But if you want to make sure that, you know, I'm not a fake guru saying you bullshit, first of all, I'm not saying you bullshit. If you do not need the stuff, I told you the stuff is available for free everywhere. But the next thing is that, and I'm sorry, the next thing is that, you guys know, I have an investor visa to go back to the US to grow my Amazon business and to actually hire people. Okay, so if you want to really figure out if I'm lying to you guys or not, just look at the requirements for the investor visa in the US, the E2 visa. It is called the E2 visa. Just look at the requirements, and would I be able to lie to the US government, okay, and to bullshit my way towards getting an E2 visa, an investor visa, like lying to them, making them believe that I have a business, that I can actually hire US citizens, and like, do you really think that it's possible to do this? It may be possible, but it's super hard. So yeah, just look into the requirements of the E2 visa. If you really think that I'm bullshitting you, if you really think that I'm lying about this business, just look at the requirements and look at my videos where I talk about the E2 visa and all that stuff. And yeah, from there you will be able to see. But do not get this mentality. This is why you are failing. This is why you are failing at everything that you do in life, and this is why you are miserable. Because yeah, I don't know if I need to explain it, but I think you understand. So yeah, do not be that guy. Put in work. Do not be lazy. Do not be a cynic. There are some rules that you need to go by. It's these, and yeah, hopefully you're not gonna be one. And hopefully I'll see you. I'll see some great screenshot of your sales, and I'll see you become a 7-figure seller. Okay, this is everything that I wish to you. But most people are going to fail because of this mentality. All right. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, watch this video if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thanks for watching.